unveiling the most exquisite gate designs you've ever seen. When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your property, the entrance is where the magic begins. Gates not only serve the functional purpose of providing security, but also set the tone for what lies beyond. In this article, we'll explore an array of gate design ideas that sparkle with creativity and elegance, from luxury designs to modern concepts. Whether you're searching for unique gate designs or simply seeking inspiration for your home entrance gates, you've come to the right place. The allure of luxury gate designs. Luxury gate designs can elevate the entire look of your property, exuding sophistication and elegance. Imagine a grand wrought iron gate adorned with intricate scrollwork, welcoming guests with an air of exclusivity. High-end gates often feature premium materials like stainless steel or custom wood finishes that not only boost durability but also enhance visual appeal. Pairing these elements with soft lighting can create a remarkable first impression, making your entrance unforgettable. Embracing modern gate designs. In today's world, contemporary gate designs are all about clean lines and minimalistic aesthetics. Think sleek metal gate designs with geometric patterns or simple wooden gates that boast natural finishes. These modern designs cater to those who appreciate subtlety without compromising on style. They can be integrated seamlessly into any architectural setting, creating an inviting ambience that speaks volumes about your taste. For driveway gate ideas, consider automated options that combine functionality with cutting-edge design. Convenience has never looked so good. Unique gate designs that stand out. For homeowners who believe in individuality, unique gate designs are the perfect choice. From vibrant colors to unusual shapes, these gates reflect personal flair and creativity. Custom gate designs can incorporate artistic elements like mosaics or sculptures, transforming a simple entrance into a masterpiece. An archway-style garden gate inspired by nature can lead visitors into a magical outdoor space, while a bold geometric metal gate makes a striking statement. Inspiring architectural gates. Architectural gates are more than just entry points. They are an extension of your home's character. Beautiful gate designs blend form and function, making them both visually appealing and practical. Whether you opt for a classic wooden gate encased in brick or an ornate iron gate featuring filigree details, the right design can complement your home's architecture beautifully. Gate decoration tips such as adding planter boxes or decorative lighting can enhance their charm, showcasing your personal style while improving curb appeal. As we look toward future gate design trends, the emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly materials is rising. Homeowners are increasingly opting for gates made from recycled materials or sustainably sourced wood, demonstrating a commitment to environmental responsibility. This shift not only benefits the planet but also adds a layer of uniqueness to each gate, ensuring your entrance stands out.